Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can use a photo or image on ChatGPT. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to use a photo or image on ChatGPT, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, you need to create a ChatGPT account first, since you won't be able to use the feature without an account. So to create an account, just tap this login button at the top right corner. And after that, you can choose if you want to create an account manually using your email address. But I recommend you to just create an account using your Google, since this is way easier and faster. But both of these methods worked, so just choose whatever you like, but in my case, I will just create one using my Google account. And then right here, just select the Google account you want to use to create your ChatGPT account. And after that, you just need to enter your username and birthday. And then tap Agree to completely create your account. And after that, it's done. You will now have your GPT account. So now that you have your ChatGPT account, I will now show you how to use a photo. So to do that, it's so simple, you just need to tap this attach button right here. And after that, I want you to tap Upload File. And then there you go guys. You will now be able to see all the images saved on your device, so just select the one that you want to use on ChatGPT. And after selecting the image, it will now be attached. Once the image is attached, you can now send it, but if you still want to add a message, just enter it right here. And once you're done entering your message, you can now start sending it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You have now used an image on ChatGPT. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.